An effective criminal justice system is the foundation of a prosperous state. But when we think of the modern-day Indian judiciary, this dialogue by Sunny Deol comes to mind. तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख मिलती रही है my lord, पर इंसाफ नहीं मिला. In the past, India was known for its vibrant, structured, hierarchical and fair judicial system. But all of that changed with the British invasion. In 1857, the Indian soldiers revolted against the British. This uprising made the British realize that in order to protect British interest, there was a need to tighten their control over India. In response, they laid down the foundation of the modern-day criminal justice system, not to provide justice, but to rule India. India gained independence in 1947, but these laws remained unchanged. The colonial judicial system was slow and outdated. These laws were amended over time, but no substantial reform was achieved. Trials dragged on for decades and prolonged the suffering of victims. Recognizing the need for reform, the Indian government rewrote these laws. The old laws did not prescribe strict and mandatory timelines for various stages. But the new laws set timelines that cover 68 areas to speed up the judicial process. For instance, the medical examination report of a rape victim must be handed over by the doctor to the police within 7 days. The proceedings in any case should begin within 14 days from the date of appearance of the accused. The charges must be framed by the magistrate within 60 days from the first hearing. The new laws also require courts to hold daily hearing in certain cases and limit each side to a maximum of 3 adjournments. Now, the trial can proceed in the absence of accused. This provision will prevent individuals from evading trials. The final judgment must be given within 30 to 45 days of the last hearing. In India, under trials make up 3 out of 4 prisoners. These timelines might lead to timely disposal of cases and reduce overcrowding of jails. The old laws required in-person appearances and physical documents, but the new laws have formalized the use of video conferencing to prevent delays. The new provisions also allow digital records as primary evidence. Videography of crime scene and videography of search and seizure is mandatory under the new provisions to safeguard the accused against high-handedness. To prevent evidence tampering and ensure quality investigation, forensic experts have been mandated to visit crime scene in heinous offenses. To prevent over-criminalization of the society and safeguard against fake complaints, the new laws have introduced the concept of preliminary inquiry. On the principle of reformative punishment, community service has been added for minor offenses. While it will take time to fully grasp the outcomes of these progressive laws, they represent one of the most comprehensive reforms since independence. And if realized, they will significantly enhance our credentials as a society.